Someone asked why an AI editor changes words it was never asked to touch. The answer isn't what you'd guess. Liam, take them through it.
Ask an AI to fix one typo in your resume, and it can quietly change a word you chose on purpose. Not because the new word is worse, often it's fine, but because nothing in the system was stopping it. Hold on to one line, led a team of 6, you picked lead, you meant lead. The obvious explanation is that the model judged your word and preferred its own, a taste problem, fixable by telling it to change nothing else. But it does this even when told not to, and the part that gives it away, it does this when its version is more correct than yours. If taste were the problem, a truer word would be a better outcome. When the text is fixed, it's still wrong. Here's why: these models have no copy button. When you ask for the whole paragraph back, every untouched word is repredicted, one at a time, from scratch. Each of those predictions usually lands on your original word, usually is not always, and a paragraph is hundreds of chances. Watermarking can add a second push, nudging the model toward a marked subset of words at every step. One flag whether a given watermark does that depends on its design, and some are built to leave the odds untouched. This is the seam where it depends is doing real work. Which is how led a team of 6 comes back as managed a team of 6, not a correction, not an improvement, just a word you didn't choose. So text coming back unchanged doesn't prove it was protected. It may have been regenerated and simply landed on your words again. And a changed word doesn't prove the model judged yours worse. It may be drift or a nudge, neither of which read your writing at all. Which points at the fix: let the model propose edits and let ordinary software apply them, so untouched text never enters the generator at all. The problem isn't that the model picked a worse word, it's that it was allowed to pick a word at all. Your turn, here's the prompt, read it with me. Take something you wrote and care about, ask for one specific fix, and ask for the answer as a list of changes with locations, not as the rewritten text. Then diff it against your original and count every word that moved. The count is almost never 0, and the words that moved were never named in your request. Lay 'em in for bear. Why an AI can change a word you chose on purpose. Lay 'em in for bear.